This is a radar readout of the New Jersey airspace. This dense cluster of overlapping flight paths and data tags represents one of the most heavily monitored regions in America, with thousands of commercial and private flights tracked every single day. In late 2024, that routine was interrupted. Thousands of residents across multiple counties began calling in reports of unidentified lights hovering in the night sky. The public reports were specific. Witnesses described massive craft flying in silent, coordinated formations, yet these sightings occurred without immediate radar confirmation from local towers. This discrepancy in such a high-traffic environment turned a localized curiosity into a federal-level investigation. The mystery rapidly expanded through community forums and Facebook groups, fueling a cycle of national news coverage and digital speculation. Investigators were immediately limited by the quality of the evidence. Most public reports relied on cell phone videos like this one, distant, grainy white lights offering no verifiable details for identification. To categorize the reports, investigators tested the data against 4 distinct physical hypotheses: consumer drones, commercial drones, aircraft and astronomy, and government activity. There is a biological hurdle here. At night, without illuminated reference points, human depth perception is limited. Because of this, a small nearby object and a massive distant object create the exact same visual scale for an observer, making size and speed estimates unreliable. Verifying the reports requires matching the physical behavior seen on video against known technological capabilities. The first theory investigators explored covers consumer drones. There are hundreds of thousands of registered hobbyists in the US utilizing hardware that is fully capable of night flight. Hypothesis 2 focuses on the rapid growth of commercial drones. These systems are used daily in suburban areas for everything from surveying to power line inspections. Many of the reports of slow-moving, low-altitude lights align with the standard flight profiles of these routine operations. A significant portion of the sightings likely involved mundane, decentralized commercial and hobbyist activity caught in a wave of public hypervigilance. Other sightings fell under Hypothesis 3, which is misidentified aircraft. When commercial planes approach an observer head-on at night, they can appear to be hovering stationary in the sky. Atmospheric conditions can also distort light from planets or stars near the horizon, causing them to flicker or appear to move with mechanical intent. Finally, Hypothesis 4 involves the possibility of government activity. While agencies use drones for authorized purposes, officials found no coordinated, secret operation that would explain the massive scale of the reports. The data reveals an overlap of unrelated events, from utility surveying to celestial movement, happening simultaneously in the same region. When the investigation concluded, many specific sightings were officially classified as unresolved. This is a data classification. It means the submitted video lacked the pixel density or telemetry data necessary to link the sighting to a specific recorded flight log. An unresolved status is the result of incomplete data, not evidence of a paranormal event. While the physical objects were mundane, the social response was an entirely different phenomenon. When physical evidence is ambiguous, social media algorithms can bridge those gaps, connecting unrelated events into a single cohesive narrative. As drone technology becomes more accessible, visual ambiguities will become more common in our crowded skies. The New Jersey drone mystery demonstrated how rapidly a shared sense of reality can destabilize when we lack the tools to verify the technology appearing in the world around us.
Some stories should never be uncovered.